For the Karen Reed murder trial, WBZ was there for Reed's personal moment with supporters outside the courtroom. And as WBZ's Kristina Rex shows us, inside, defense attorneys called a car data expert to the stand.
Well, we hope he cleared it up a little bit. Karen Reed on her team's first witness. He didn't do any new analysis. He just tried to shed some light on what the Commonwealth did. On the first day of the defense's case, car data expert Matthew DeSogra was the only witness to take the stand. And he reflected on a contested piece of evidence. Which happened first? Karen Reed's car going in reverse or John O'Keefe manually locking his phone for the final time?
The phone lock event always occurs after the end of the event.
But after updated expert reports from the state, DeSogra says there's a 10% chance the phone could have locked before the alleged crash. Why do the seconds matter?
If the timeline of John closing his phone happened after that, then theoretically the Commonwealth's theory kind of dissipates, because how can both things be true?
Then a tense cross-examination with prosecutor Hank Brennan, who accused the witness of only criticizing his experts instead of doing his own research.
Did you ever download or obtain data in this case?
No.
Did you ever test Miss Reed's car?
No.
Did you ever do any actual testing in this case?
No.
With the start of her team's case, a change in Karen Reed, the defendant coming to greet her supporters outside the courthouse during a break from testimony. I'm here every day, and I can't tell you what this does to my spirits every day. But inside court, more tension as defense called Jonathan Diamandis to the stand without the jury present. He is a lifelong friend of former trooper Michael Proctor.
It looks to be a text chain with a group of my friends that I grew up with.
Defense attorneys want him to testify.
He's a whack job. See you.
So that Proctor's offensive text can become evidence without Proctor ever taking the stand. Why don't you want to call Michael Proctor?
Walk and talk, walk and talk. That's not Karen's call, it's her attorney's call.
And Monday morning, a new witness will take the stand as the defense's case continues. One of those witnesses we expect to see, depending on the judge's ruling, is former Trooper Proctor's friend, who you just saw right there. Also, another witness by the name of Kelly Dever. She did not testify during the last trial, and Karen Reed would not say what she'll testify about in this one. In Dedham, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
All right, Kristina, thank you.